Welcome to Descriptive Statistics for Categorical Variables. This video provides an overview of categorical variables and the associated descriptive statistics, instructions for processing the test run, and guidance on documenting the results. Examples of categorical variables include variables such as handedness, which can contain two values, left and right, or meal, which can contain three values, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Another categorical variable is blood type, which contains 8 values. Since categorical variables contain categories instead of traditional numbers, we can't perform traditional arithmetic on them. However, we can systematically account for them using a fairly short list of descriptive statistics for categorical variables. We can represent each category with the n or percentage. We can also represent the categorical distribution graphically, using a bar chart or a pie chart. The n is the number of items contained in each category. This list reflects the handedness of each respondent. The n informs us that there are 45 people who are right-handed and 5 who are left-handed. The percentage formula is the n for a category divided by the total n times 100. This survey involved a total of 50 respondents. To calculate the percentage for right-handed participants, the equation is 45 divided by 50 times 100. This shows us that 90% of the sample was right-handed. For the left-handed percentage, we divide the n, which is 5, by the total, which is 50, then multiply by 100. This shows us that 10% of the sample was left-handed. These findings can be represented graphically as a bar chart or a pie chart. We'll process an example of descriptive statistics for categorical variables using this data set. Begin by running the Excel DIY statistics file. Select the Descriptive Categorical tab, then delete the sample data. Click on the A column and press the Delete key. Next, highlight the sample categories in column C and press the Delete key. You can enter the data manually, starting with the variable name at A1, followed by each category. Alternatively, you can copy and paste the data into the Excel file from another source. Next, copy one of each category into column C, starting at C2. Next, double-click on the bar chart. This will highlight the source data associated with the chart. Click on the center square to adjust the boundaries, either up or down, to fully capture the categories in column C. Then do the same for the pie chart. The documentation template provides guidance in composing thorough and organized results. Describe the study, the research question. In preparation for equipment acquisition, a researcher wants to determine the prevalence of left or right-handedness. Describe the sample size, the n. A total of 50 participants were surveyed. Describe the n and percentage of each category. Our results revealed 45, 90% right-handed, and 5, 10% left-handed. If you've written your responses as complete sentences, as a final step, you can remove the headers and close up the space between sentences. This will render a viable results section. This concludes this video.